This is how you get rid of both common flies and fruit flies in one day, and only takes a few minutes to prepare. First, take a container and add half a cup of warm water. This helps activate the next ingredients. Now add 1 packet of active dry yeast. It produces carbon dioxide and fermented odors that flies find extremely attractive. Also add 4 tablespoons of sugar, which helps produce strong attractant scents. Allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes until you see foam forming on the surface. This lets you know the yeast has been activated properly. Once foamy, add half a cup of white vinegar, one of the most popular attractants for many species of flies. As last ingredient, add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, which helps sink the flies into the solution. Gently stir everything together. Now take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top section where the neck begins. Pour the prepared mixture into the bottom half of the bottle, then place the top portion upside down into the bottom half to create a funnel. This allows flies to enter easily while making it difficult for them to escape. Place the trap in areas where flies are commonly seen, such as garbage cans, kitchen counters, patios, or other locations where flies frequently gather. As flies detect the fermented odors, they are naturally drawn toward the trap. Once they enter through the funnel and come into contact with the liquid, the soap prevents them from escaping. Over the next several days, you may notice significantly fewer flies flying around your home and outdoor spaces. Replace the solution every 5 to 7 days for the best results. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.